Are you a Web3 agency trying to understand how you can use the latest AI tools and technologies to identify the user growth and your marketing campaign? Then you are at the right presentation. Hi, I am Mani Malarvan, and in this video, we will go through how you can combine the Web2 data, that is data that the user are clicking from the decentralized application, either from the browser or from your cell phone, and combine the data that is been happening from the various blockchains. It could be Ethereum blockchain or it could be Solana, whatever blockchain your customers are having the smart contract application running. So there are AI tools are available and we can look into those tools and how you can use those tools effectively to understand your customer and grow your marketing campaign. See, the one of the main issue the Web3 agencies right now they are facing is that they are manually trying to collect the data from their Web2. Either they use the third-party tools or they use the Google Analytics to collect the Web2 data. And then they go to the blockchain, various blockchain analytical tools are there, download the data, they use the Excel spreadsheet to combine the data to create value out of it. See, it's all manual work. If we are managing, say, 5 to 20 clients for their marketing campaigns to understand their user growth, to understand various parameters, then you have to do it manually for each and every customer. Imagine how much time your marketing agency analysts are doing in a day to understand the traffic pattern, to understand the how many wallets are being connected in a day, how many new users are signing up, and how many users are continuously coming first week, second week. All those various parameters you need to understand, you need to identify so that you can tell your customers how well the marketing campaign is working for them. All those you can do it manually by downloading the data, and by doing it your marketing analyst they spend 4 to 5 hours every day to identify it, manually putting together the data. And that is the old approach. Now with the tools that we have built in AnalyticKit platform, you can able to have a one centralized dashboard. You can connect all the Web2 data with the Web3 data, integrate it. You can able to have a unified view of data just by clicking or by asking questions using our AI agents. So one of the main issue with the generic AI tools like a ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, you can able to upload the data, whatever data you have, and ask questions. The first thing is you are sending all the customer data to the generic tools like ChatGPT or Chrome. It is or Gemini. It is free, or even if you have a paid version where you can upload a lot more data, you are still sending all the data. It is a security risk. You shouldn't be doing it. And the second thing is the ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, it doesn't understand your customer data. It doesn't store. It does store some data. Say, for example, first day you are uploading some data, and then the next week you come and ask some questions. It doesn't understand it because the context window is limited. So every time you have to upload all the data and ask questions, it is a tedious, time-consuming process. And from the marketing agency's point of view, your agency's skills shouldn't be wasting time on this type of manual work. So the best way is to have a tool to understand these automatically, and from the marketing agency's point of view, you just get the data so that you can able to communicate with your customers and see how well their marketing campaign is going and how many new users are signing in, where they are coming from. Are they coming from social media post or from the X post? Whatever may be the mechanism they have set it, and whatever the marketing campaign you are running for them, you should be able to identify the, the growth of the customers, how many wallets are being registered in a day, how many wallets are registered in a week, whether it is going or coming up. And registering is only one step, or signing in the wallet is only one step. Are they using the wallet and then ultimately performing any transactions like buying an NFT or sending their money from their wallet to their friends and family's wallet. All those you can able to measure if you have the proper tools and technology. And then if you combine AI with that, then you can able to ask specific direct question to the data that you have, and then you get the response that is going to help to grow the customer base. And then your analysts are all doing the actual work, not doing the manual work of downloading data from multiple different websites, multiple different blockchain, and combining it, sending it to chat gpt to get the result what they want. So this is the analytic kit approach. So we have autonomous agents that collects once the data is collected, it's all secure in our databases that is running in Amazon AWS web servers. So nobody can able to steal the data. We have well protected data, and we are not sending any of the data to any of the AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude or other tools, other LLMs that is there. All we do is that we anonymize the data, and then we send it and we get the response for all the data. And also we collect data from Ethereum. We are working with multiple other blockchains, but for now, if you have your campaign running for your customers, those who have their smart contract application in Ethereum, then you can right away go and use our analytic kit tools to get the data automatically and combine the data from Ethereum blockchain and also from your Web3 visits or Web2 visits, either through your browser or through the decentralized application. You can combine it and you can ask all types of questions. How many users are coming in, where they are coming in, which device they are coming in, which country, which region they are coming in, and how many of them are continuously coming day after day, or they are coming in for 1 week, the next week they are dropping off. And also in the entire funnel, you can able to identify they are coming in, clicking, going to the wallet, signing into the wallet, and then maybe they are purchasing any NFTs or sending money, or they are dropping off. You can able to identify each and every point in the entire cycle of your marketing campaign and tell the customers what they need to do to improve their marketing campaign, so that ultimately you can add value to the customers. So the six recommendation categories that right now you can able to use the analytic kit tools, the engagements, the user interaction patterns. So you can able to identify which country, which county, or which state they are coming from, how many users are coming from, and are they coming from the smart application, the smart contract applications that they have it on their cell phone, or they are using the browser to do it. And then the campaign attribution. If you are running a marketing campaign for a month, you can see how well the marketing campaign is working, whether whatever you are doing in the marketing campaign, like creating a mass email campaign or posting in the social media platforms, whatever actions you are doing, what you need to measure the output of that action at the end of the day. You don't have to wait 1 week or 2 weeks until you identify what you need to do. So you make a action within your marketing campaign and you measure the result right away. Within 24 hours you should be able to identify if the actions are all working, or you need to fine tune your actions, like posting, instead of posting in X, you should be posting it in LinkedIn or Discord channel. Whatever may be the technique, you should be able to identify how well the marketing campaign is working for you and the growth opportunities. If whatever actions you are doing, say posting in LinkedIn, is drastically increasing the performance than posting in X, then obviously you can able to identify the action that the LinkedIn posting has much more better effect than posting in X. So you should be spending more time on that. So by that, you can able to grow the marketing campaign slowly but surely, day by day, as you can able to understand the data points and the transaction health. Ultimately, you want to make sure that whatever the marketing campaign you are working on is ultimately the customers are clicking the buy button in the NFT so that they can able to purchase the NFT, or they can have their stable coin transferring from their wallets to the friends and family wallet, or they are receiving stablecoin money from a different wallet to their wallet, so that ultimately their application, whatever your customer application in Ethereum blockchain is collecting more transactions, and you can able to identify which campaign is working, what exactly they are working, how much value is being transferred every day, and what type of transaction it is, whether it is a NFT transaction or stablecoin transaction. You can able to identify all these informations within a click of a button or by asking questions within our AI agents. And the another critical data point you want to measure is the churn risk. This is a very critical. During the initial time of the marketing campaign, you have 1,000 users registering it. And then you need to make sure whether how many of them are coming back next week or the next month or after 6 months. If they are coming in because you are starting a marketing campaign, maybe you are giving a free token or free something. So a lot of users are coming in, registering in your wallet, and then if they drop off after a month, then that's not a good idea. You need to identify how many customers are, how many users are sustaining and keep using the decentralized application on a regular basis. So this data helps you to identify what you need to do in case if your customers, the users are dropping. And also the anomaly detection. See, one of the critical aspect is you collect all the data. See that there's a lot of data that is going on a regular basis in Ethereum and also in your browser or in your decentralized application. Manually, it is very difficult for you to identify if there is any anomaly that needs to be identified. Since these AI tools are there, it can able to go through all the data and it will give you proper guidelines if there is any detection, any issues within the data. Say for example, you have a new user interface your customers are created, and there is one of the link is not working. Obviously the data will instantly tell that that particular day the number of users coming from one particular region, maybe a country or from a device, is drastically dropping. So the AI tools that we have in AnalyticKit platform can identify it, and it proactively tells you these are all the issues that needs to be fixed on a regular basis. So this helps your marketing agency to add value to your customers, what they can do to fix the issue right away rather than waiting for a week or a month before they can able to identify it. The security architecture, the agencies needs to make sure that they are there. See, you are collecting data from browser, from various devices where the application is running, devices meaning the cell phones, either Apple or Apple iPhone or Android, Google Android phone, whatever may be the brand you use. You need to make sure that you are following various rules and regulations. Europe has a set of rules, and within US, California has a set of rules, and various other countries have rules. You need to make sure that the tools and technologies you are using follows those, and so that you are not violating any of the countries local rules and international laws, so that you can able to make sure that the product you are using follows that. So when you able to get the data, you need to make sure that the tools that you are using anonymize the data. PII, personally identifiable information, are all getting anonymized. Since all the blockchain data are by default PII, so when within the analytic kit, when we collect, we are not exposing any of the data. And also when we collect data from the Web2, we tell the user that what exactly we are doing. So all our systems are all secure, and the data doesn't leave our servers, and also we don't sell the data to anybody. So you will be assured that whatever data we collect, we are just using it internally to identify what needs to be done. And all our systems are all can be accessed only through user ID password with a full security, so that you will be assured that your data is safe and secure within our AWS servers. And also, we have our systems. Multiple marketing agencies are using our backend, our platform. You are being assured that none of that data that is being exposed from one marketing agencies to another marketing agencies. Even within one marketing agency, if you need to separate two different customers, there is a way to do it. So at any point of time within the AnalyticKit platform, all the data is secure, so that none of the data is being exposed between the customers within a single marketing agencies and across the marketing agencies as well. And also, all the data that is available in the Ethereum blockchain, that is the public data. You cannot identify who the real customer is. So when we collect the data, we can able to identify from the user's point of view. We notify the user that what exactly we are doing with the data and what data we are collecting. And in any case, if any user wants to completely delete the data, we will make sure that we will delete the data and we will notify you, so that you will be completely make sure you are assured that the data that we have is being secure and we are following all the international and local laws within our system. So the economic of you using the analytic kit tools is very straightforward. You will be spending 30 cents per team per month. That would be the total cost for you. And the value you are getting out of it is much more than what you spend. So it is, if you have a 10 clients, then it is equivalent to, for 35 to $50 per hour, you will be actually spending, but the value you are getting is close to 280 to $400. We had a analysis with multiple customers, and we found out that this is the value you are getting for 10 clients. Your cost saving is the 4K, because none of your analysts are manually doing the work. Since they are all using the tools, they get what they need within an hour, so that they can go and do more work, more value add work for your marketing agency. Either you can get the new clients with the existing workforce, or that workforce can do something else to add value to your marketing agencies. The overall, there is a 10K of estimated ROI for one analyst, for one client within a month. You can able to save it. So bottom line is that when you start using our analytic tools, instantly you will be seeing what value those tools are providing, so that you can able to get what you need within the fraction of time, instead of manually downloading the data from multiple different places and then uploading into chat gpt, asking questions and then getting response and then creating various charts. So the tools and technologies what we have, you should be able to create the dashboard for unique client. And for each client, you will be running multiple marketing campaigns. You should be able to track each marketing campaign, how well it is doing from the day one. You don't have to wait for 1 week or 10 days to get the data, how well the marketing is working, the marketing campaign is working. You should be able to get it within couple of hours after you launch the marketing campaign. You can able to see what you need to do to fix in case of any issues within the marketing campaign at the beginning of the marketing campaign, not at the middle of the marketing campaign, not at the end of the marketing campaign. Instantly you can able to get the feedback, and by doing it, you save a lot of time. The time is money, and you can able to save the money and concentrate on whatever other task your agency want to do in the future. So analytic kit We have the leading AI, the Web3 analytics, convergence tools and technologies for us. We continuously collect the data at the back end. We use the ClickHouse, that is a popular database. We aggregate data, we store the data in our system, and then we use the Postgres database for all the security purposes. Any user, those who want to log in, they need to use the user ID and password, and also we will make sure that the data is completely secure and within our Postgres database. And also we have the cross links of collecting data from various blockchains. Right now, Ethereum blockchain, and we are working on incorporating other blockchains like Solana or Binance or other blockchains in the near future. So we'll be getting the data. We are collecting the data for each marketing campaign for each customer, and we are storing it, and we are using the AI agents to do the analysis for us. So, and also if we use these AI tools, it is quite expensive based on the number of data we have, but we have a technology to make sure that we are not sending all the data, we are anonymizing the data so that none of the third-party AI tools will know the data. They can't figure out what exactly the data is. Ultimately, we will collect the data, we will collate the data, we will send the data to the third party agent analytical tools, and from the user interface, you should be able to identify how well the marketing campaign is working. So we have been doing it for now close to 2, 3 years. And in the last 6 months, we built this analytical toolkit platform by integrating with the AI agents, and that will tell you clearly what is going on within the marketing campaign that you are running. So this entire platform is built for the marketing agencies, specifically for Web3 marketing agencies. If you need more information about the solutions, what are all the different tools, the pricing, and how the AI recommendation tools are working, please visit our website, analytickit.com. You can able to understand more, or you post the comment in this video. We'll be happy to help you, or send us an email or call us. We'll be happy to help you to go through what we built, and we will have a demo, and you can understand how well our tools compared to the current tools that you are using or the manual process you are going through right now. So that's all I want to discuss in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. And if you like this video, please share it and subscribe to our channel so that we can grow our channel. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Bye.